How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Gildan 64,000 t-shirt. This is a 100% cotton t-shirt offered by Printful.com. It's a print-on-demand platform, so if you're looking to get into the business and you're looking for an affordable t-shirt with a good quality print and good customer service company, my recommendation is definitely Printful. I've worked with them for a number of years and never had any problems and have had a great experience so far. The reason I'm doing a review of this shirt in particular is because it is one of my best sellers. It is also one of their best sellers, and as you can see here, for very clear reasons, which would be the starting price and then also the number of colors and sizes that they offer. Let's look at the listing closer. As you can see here, it is offered in black, navy, dark heather, sport gray, and white, and then size ranging from small to 3XL. Like I said, it is a bestseller, but a lot of people have a question. For example, it is starting at $8. Does that mean that it's poor quality? Is there a lot of damage or anything like that? Is the print maybe not as expected? And we're going to look at that, but the answer to all of those things is no. This is the package that I received. It's a very nicely packed. I ordered 2 shirts because I wanted to do reviews on both of them. They are my best sellers, and we're going to see what the customers get. As you can see here, the bag is made of 50% recycled polyethylene, so if you're going for that whole green look, this is great when your customers actually see that. If you can see, I am actually struggling with the bag, which is a good problem to have because it is packed nice and tight. As I said, I've ordered 2 items. I wanted to do reviews on both of them, look at the different types of print and 2 different types of size. The one that we're going to be looking at right now is the Gildan 64,000. Like I said, this is an extra large, and as you can see here, it is made in Bangladesh. Now, when I opened the bag, I wanted to feel the material right away. I wanted to see if it was light or heavy cotton, and the other things that I wanted to look at were the stitching and the print of my design. The reason I went with this design in particular was because it was white and there were a number of fine lines actually on the design, and it turned out exactly as I thought. It turned out very well. It wasn't an extremely fine color, but it did the job. As you can see here, there's a double stitch, and it never at any point felt like it was a cheap material. Definitely it's not going to last you 10 years, I don't think. It was a very light cotton, but the stitching looked very durable, and that it would definitely last a while and it would not fall apart after the first wear. Also, there was no particular smell to it. A lot of people think that when you ship something, certain fabrics have a particular smell that customers don't enjoy. I did not find that, and you can actually wear this without washing, which is I definitely wouldn't recommend that, but it was definitely a good quality like that. So as you can see here, I'm going to pause. There's a stitching at the bottom as well. Like I said, at no point did I think that this was the pre-washed thick cotton, but for $8 it definitely exceeded all of my expectations, and now I completely understand why customers are always providing positive reviews after receiving one of these items. Overall, what I would say is Gildan 64,000 is definitely a good choice to offer to your customers. What you can do is definitely have a bigger profit margin because of the price point, because of the starting price. And like I said, I would doubt that anybody for that price would complain about the quality, because I enjoyed wearing it very much, and will definitely be ordering these shirts for myself again, and will be offering them to my customers. That's it. That's definitely a go for me, because like I said, I've tried and tested out a number of shirts, and this is probably number one choice simply because of the price, because of the number of colors and sizes, including the service that the Printful provides. Thank you guys for watching.